Yo, hey, I want you to try something. You got your email open? I sent you an email a few seconds ago. Click on that link. Oh, you can see me. Can you hear me? I can hear you through the phone. Hey, I want to see how delayed this thing is. So when you look at your screen, am I moving my mouse right now? That's what I thought. I wonder why. Because no, I mean we're using super fast internet here. No, but now I'm not moving it exactly. I got to figure out how to fix that. That's obviously not good for trading. Yeah, StreamYard, it's free, but I'm using the free version. Maybe that's why it's delayed. Yeah, um, I don't know. StreamYard is specifically made for streaming video on like YouTube and Facebook and all that. So you might have to turn that down. Is the no? Yeah. Are you able? Have you looked at it enough to be able to find any kind of comps? Yeah, and three and three car garages. Hmm. 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 Okay. Hmm. I don't have a clue. They were asking like 480. I know. We paid, significantly more. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that sounds about right. Hmm. Okay. And is that what you use the appraisal as the median value? Hmm. 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 Okay. Well, that was sorry, that was me. Yeah, that was us. Hmm. No, it's not me. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Sounds good. Market is open. Yeah, market is open. Um, yeah, I hadn't marked the morning low yet. I was waiting to see where we went. Yeah, we're kind of bouncing off of it right now. So we're bouncing off of it right now, right? Hmm. Yeah, I show us the wick going through it. Mm. Now we're going through it. Yeah, yeah. I didn't even mark that zone this morning. I know it is a zone, but I didn't mark it. Yeah, because it's not a real, you know, yeah, not a real strong zone. Yeah, I feel like we could bounce from there again, but man, yeah, and this opening candle always, the opening candle, it never seems to see. I mean, I always get this FOMO with opening candle because you could literally be in and done, one way or the other. Uh huh. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. We got that S1M uh, pivot that we're bouncing off of. We have news, 3-star news at 9. Hmm. Yeah. Well, I'll figure it out one way or another. I don't, you know, this was sort of a test morning to see if I could get it working right. Just retesting S1M. Let's see. Is that YouTube screen, is it clear enough to see? Mm-hmm. Can you see? Okay. Here we down here at the whoa, we're going right through it. That's that zone, that previous low. Damn. Yeah. I may end up selling short here if we keep going right here. It's just hard. This is the point that I hate. I get stopped out here more than anything. This is the point you got to be really careful with. I went short. And I imagine that. Worst case scenario now, I'll break even. Trailing this sucker down. That came back and got me. Made 580. Yeah. Heart was racing on that one. I don't know why. Normally, I've gotten to where I'm kind of calm when I trade, and I don't really get these heart palpitations like this. But this time I did. Yeah. Well, sometimes you just got to go for it. That's all I can say. I mean, look at it. I mean, shit. Yeah. I mean, the next zone I've got, and it's a 1 day zone, is down at 486. Well, yeah. Well, I'm. If you look at the day chart, and the 486 level is definitely a level to watch. Like, I mean, if we get down there, it's going to slow down, stop, reject, do something. Man, this thing is just. Look at this thing. God, holy crap. 371 to 485. Yeah, day chart zones are big. If I could, I'd spend more time. I could zero back on the 15-minute chart to that day and see, narrow it down. Wow, this is crazy. Attempted to hit sell market again. There you go. That was waiting for something like that, some kind of a retrace, back up. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Typically, I look for it a little closer to the nine. I mean, not stretched out like this, but the market's moving so fast this morning down. I jump in if the 5 minute turns here and goes the other way. I'm kind of looking at that S1 pivot point as a target. I need about another $300 or $400 here to fund this account. What I don't know is this video actually going to be on YouTube, like recorded on YouTube when it's over? You'll be able to search it and find it. I have no idea. Might chop sideways here a little bit until we get to the news at 9 o'clock. appears to be stalling out here. No. Hmm. Yeah, I've extended the 9 SMA down on my 2 minute. So I can do it on my 5 minute as well here. On the 5 minute, I have shows to, probably intersect around news time on the 5 minute 9. 2 minute is, I bet. God. 2 minute is intersecting its 9 right now. Retesting the back of this low we had. Whoa, look at that. I wonder if that wick is grabbing, that's just grabbing liquidity to go lower here. All the stop losses from people that went short right there and had their stop loss up there. Yeah. Looks like it still wants to go. 5 minute just hit the 9. Well, I need to change that. Didn't quite hit it. 9 has moved up a little bit. The 5 is hitting the 9 right now. It's going to end up all the way back up to where it started from. Yeah, it's the 2 minute just went up and hit the 20, rejected off of it. So if we're going to start the reversal process, it would be here. The question will be here is, do we hold that pre-market low? I mean, not pre-market low, the previous low. So we may just create a higher low here on the 2 minute. I wonder what the news will do, because we're getting close to news here. Yeah. So it closed back below the previous low here on the 2 minute. So my 5 minute candle's got another 2 minutes to go. We came in the 5 minute. I mean, it's really nice. It came all the way back up. Put a wick through the 9, turned to red. So, assuming we close red here, that's the trigger to go short if the next candle continues to go down. Yeah, exactly. Hmm. I don't know what ours is percentage wise, but it's a lot. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. The 2 created a higher low here, which is I don't really love. You see, we had a red candle, then a green one following it. That's a higher low. Oh, So at this point, going short, you'd have to look for a potential smaller move. I don't know. I don't know that it would make it all the way back down to the previous low. Yeah. Now, 5 minute closed red. Literally coming into news. Yeah. Almost always does that though. The 5 minute will always start off green. It'll give you a green candle and you'll think, oh, it's not going to work. And then it'll bleed off and go the other way. But I don't like the 2 minute giving us higher low, you know. Plus, yeah. Plus, we still got green dots on the 2 minute. See, on the 2 minute, not only we create a higher low, but we're above the 9. Mm. Let's see here. I may have to take my 580 and be done with it. I was hoping to get through this evaluation here. I think I need another maybe $320 or something. I do have an inspection this morning at 10 o'clock. I don't know what time the inspectors are going to get here. I'm watching now, I'm watching the 5 minute. The 5 minute still hanging green just a little bit. I have a feeling the news is just going to catapult it short, small. I mean, down. It's going to. Could be wrong, but I have a feeling it's going to shoot it down even more. 20 seconds to news. News. Mm-hmm. I think we're going to sell off here. I don't know. I got the feeling we're going to go down, but it just kind of looks like it. Yeah. It wants to go. We're outside of my trend line on the 5 minute, and I've got a little mini trend line going up. I guess I can redraw it so if I redraw it like that, we're just inside of it, but keep breaking it. Wow, this candle has literally it's deadlocked here. Yeah. As soon as I think about going short, it starts to slow down again. I'm in. Break even. I'm out. Whoa, look at that. That was a good break even. Yeah. Yeah. All right, Frank. Well, I'm going to take my 580 and run. I'm going to end the stream here. End stream.